This is Darshana Gochin with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 2nd, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up by 0.54 points or 0.13% to 414.47. Total trade volume was up. 117,194 shares changed hands at a total value of roughly 600 million Khmer Real, or around $146,200. 5 stocks were up on the main board today. Pastech Cambodia led the market, up by 1.23% or 30 Real to 2,470 Real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up by 0.87% or 20 Real to 2,310 Real per share. Other stocks that saw their prices increase were Akleda Bank, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, and the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. Only one stock was down. Grand Twins International dropped 0.53% or 20 Real to 3,780 Real per share. Meanwhile, Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, CamGSM, and MJQ Education remained flat. On the growth board, both companies were up. DBD Engineering was up 0.48% or 10 Real to 2,090 Real per share, while JS Land was up 0.29% or 10 Real to 3,500 Real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 61,617 shares changing hands at a total value of 462.7 million Real, or around $112,600, accounting for 52% of total shares traded on August 2nd. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ had the second highest trade volume of the day with 32,485 shares changing hands at a total value of 74.5 million Real, or $18,160, making up around 27% of Friday's trade volume. The Khmer Real to USD remained unchanged at 4,109 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 104.14. Moving on to global commodities, oil prices rose on Friday but were on course for a fourth successive weekly decline as signs of disappointing global fuel demand growth outweigh fears of supply disruptions on rising Mideast tensions. Brent crude futures gained 46 cents or 0.6% to $79.98 a barrel. Gold prices were poised for their biggest weekly jump in 4 months, supported by safe haven demand and expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve would start cutting interest rates in September as markets await a key jobs report for further cues. Spot gold was up 0.7% at $2,463.45 per ounce, just $22 shy of the record peak of $2,483.60 scaled on July 17th. Bullion is on track for its biggest weekly gain since April 5th. Global stocks were set to end a roller coaster week in the red as investor anxiety about U.S. growth combined with downbeat earnings weighed on tech stocks, while gold, government bonds, and currencies seen as safe havens gained. A sell-off that started in Asia sent Japan's Nikkei 225 share index down 5.8% in a loss that was not seen since the March 2020 COVID-19 crisis. U.S. index futures fell sharply following downbeat forecasts from Amazon and Intel, with investors awaiting a crucial jobs report for further clues on the labor market amid lingering concerns over an economic slowdown. Futures were down 0.57% for the Dow, 0.96% for the S&P 500, and 1.58% for Nasdaq. This was Darshana Gochin with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 2nd. Have a great long weekend.